Okay, here. This is the Randy Boy 11, and I will be showing you a video of stuff I have to sell. Okay, starting off with the first thing. Sony PSP. See, PSP. Turn it to the back. PSP. PSP. I have this thing right here because I lost that piece to the... It broke off. It didn't drop it. It just broke off because I was mad one day and I didn't want to take it off. It just broke off. See? Turn it back over. Check out the buttons. The little circle thing works perfect. Check out the buttons. Each one works. Okay. Everything's good. Okay, I mean, sorry about that. So, it died on me, so I can't really show you. It turns on, and I let my friend borrow the charger real quick, because he had one, and he found his again, so he wanted to use it, and told me, yeah. See, everything works for the PSP, and I'm setting it, see the string right there. I was setting it $50, and I'm going to mod it for you, because I have the casing for it. It's a white one and a red one. I'll be sending both of them for you. That's why I'm selling it for $50. See, I'm gonna leave the buttons blue and change the faceplate front and this part right here. This I'm gonna change. Okay, I'm gonna change the front part white, but leave the buttons blue. Turn it to the back. I'm gonna change this all right here. This whole UMD case white too, but leave these two sides blue. And that's the PSP. And this is my second thing I'm selling. Okay, my Apple iPod 2nd generation. I've had it in other videos, but no one seems to like to buy it. I have this. Okay. No camera. It's just the casing it came with. I got the wrong case. Turn it on. Hold on. June 23rd. Bluetooth on. Okay, it's going. You got Game Center, calendar, photos, contacts, YouTube, stocks, maps, weathers, notes, and all that other stuff. Got my apps. Got mail, Safari, videos, and music. My volume works. Just show you that it works. My song. Let's get another song. Okay, hold up, and I will get my Nintendo 3DS. Hold up real quick. I'm gonna cover the camera so you won't see what I got. Okay, we're back. Got my Nintendo 3DS here. See, you got it in flame red. Turn it around. Got it here. Nintendo 3DS. Turn this thing on. Let's turn it on. Here, go. Volume works. Let me turn it off. See, that works. Let's turn it off here. Okay, and all that together would be 50, 100. About I'll get back to you in the price. I'll put it in the description. Bye.